Hey y'all! I am going to show you how to fertilize a tree. Now, normally you don't need to fertilize a tree that is this big. But you can see how she is only leafing out on one side. So hopefully we can save her with this fertilizer, but I'm worried. Her roots got damaged last year when we put in this fence, and I'm pretty sure that's why she's doing so bad. Plus last year there were tons of wildfires with smoke blocking out her sunlight. There wasn't very much rain. It was a really bad combination, but yesterday we got a really good heavy rain, and that's what Mom told me is the most important thing to getting these to work. And then we're also going to give her a bigger drink too. So, be right back. Okay, so I have taken all of these individual fertilizer sticks and them out. Aw, Millie's being cute. Hey, Millie. Yeah, say hi. Alright, but I spread out the fertilizer stakes evenly along the drip line of the tree. So you want to be right at the edges of where the leaves are. And then I gotta make a little trench for him. And you can see how nice and muddy the soil is. If your soil isn't nice and muddy like this, do it a different day. It's got to be this wet to start. Let's see if I could just smush it in. Okay, good. Good, I'm not going to need a hammer. And now that is in there, can I lift this one-handed? Alright. And we're going to use the whole watering can on each stake to make sure the water gets super saturated and deep for it. At least, I think so. We'll see how soggy the soil becomes. It actually seems to be pulling up pretty good right now. There you go. There's your food, madam. Hope it makes you feel better. I think that's enough demonstration, because you just need to repeat this process with the other 5 stakes, and hopefully she'll be okay. I'll give you a checkup on her later in the fall or next year or whatever to see if she recovers. But thank you for watching. Have a great day.